Without peace, it would not be possible to achieve the levels of trust, cooperation, and inclusiveness needed for societies to be resilient to shocks. That's why policymakers, practitioners, and researchers are now more interested in how to better facilitate the successful implementation of peace agreements and political transitions, as well as to greater societal inclusion in negotiations as a result of the failure to implement negotiated peace agreements and the frequent collapse of such deals. For this reason, the African Union is in charge of setting policy and carrying it out. Its main objective is to make sure that Africa reaches Agenda 2063's aspiration, which calls for a peaceful and secure Africa by using mechanisms that support a dialogue-centered approach to conflict prevention and resolution.
What we have tried to achieve for ourselves over the years, and that is African solution for African problems.
The agreement signed by Ethiopian government and the TPLF group outlining the roadmap for implementing peace deal that both sides reached in South Africa, which facilitated unhindered humanitarian access, providing security guarantees to aid workers, ensured the protection of civilians, and established a joint committee to oversee implementation. Ambassador Samad Ali, the ambassador of Iran to Ethiopia and permanent representative to the African Union Commission, have spoken to Afro News and gave us his take on it.
It's an important move toward the comprehensive peace and stability in Ethiopia. This is a wise decision taken by both parties, and it is definitively in the favor of whole Ethiopia and Ethiopian people. Stability is the prerequisite for any sort of development in the country, and Ethiopia, as an emerging country, really need the peace and stability and security to go further in its path to the development.